Hello, it's Celsia. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a mermaid bra using these large plastic shells. For this you'll need a sewing needle, thread to match the shell's main color, a bra with very little to no padding, and a pair of scissors. As you can see here, there are holes in the shell for attachment via the needle and thread method. Another method that can be utilized with the holes is attaching them to yourself with ribbons or rope. You can also glue these into a bra or use a Velcro and snap method if you'd like. After you have figured out the best placement for your shells, double thread your needle and begin attaching the plastic shells to the bra. Loop it at least 3 times for security. Once you have finished sewing them into the bra, knot your thread and snip it. Repeat these steps with the rest of your attachment process. And that concludes this tutorial. Hopefully this was useful to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.